Everybody, welcome to the class. So, guys, let's get started with our lesson. So, guys, today we are going to learn about tables and graphs. So, guys, today we will learn about statistical charts altogether, okay? So, in fact, in the previous lessons, guys, we have focused on two types of statistical charts. Mainly, if you guys remember, we did pictorial charts and bar graphs, right? Which were something like this. But today, we are going to focus more about these tables, statistical tables, guys, such as, line graphs and pie charts and radar charts. It's okay, guys, if you don't remember, that's fine, because we're going to cover it again all over. So, why do you think we should study statistical charts, guys? Because in our daily life, we often encounter the need for analysis of statistical data and statistical charts, and because it actually helps us to sort out data and obtain very useful information to help us make appropriate decisions. So all of these graphs, guys, make help us to make good decisions, guys. Now I'll give you a very easy example in real life, guys. Do you guys see the weather forecast, for example? Now, weather forecast is basically a good summary of how the weather is going to be like tomorrow or a week after, and also in a month. So, according to that data, guys, we can make decisions such like, should I take my umbrella tomorrow morning or not? Or should I wear sunglasses tomorrow? So, or even, can I plan a trip for a picnic tomorrow? Such like these decisions. We can make good decisions by looking at the weather forecast. So that's why statistics is very, very important. It helps us to improve our daily life routine enormously. So, all right, guys. So as a warm-up question, however, let's do some, easy table questions. So, guys, transportation analysis to compare the various bridges tolls. And on the George Washington Bridge, how much more is the toll for a truck than for a car? So, guys, I want you guys to all have a look at this table and try to understand what this table is trying to tell us. So, what do you guys think, guys? 8. Now, how did you get 8? Yes, 8 is the correct answer, but how did you know it was 8? That's right, Sophie. Well done. So, guys, if you read the question, now, table has everything, all the information you need. Now, but it's your job to make a decision. Okay, what kind of information do we need from the question? And also, by picking the correct information, we should calculate to make our decision. Okay, so for obviously, we are comparing, guys. And also on the George Washington Bridge, so it's obviously this one, not the other ones. How much is for a truck, and compared to a car, how much more? So truck, $16 for a George Washington Bridge, and for a car, it's $8. So as you can see, guys, I am looking at all these information. I'm not looking at this one. I don't care, because these are not the information that I want. Okay, so for that reason, now I compare 16 and 8. So 16 minus 8 equals to $8. So $8 more for the truck. So even though the answer was easy, I want you guys to focus on my explanation how to obtain the correct information and what information I need to know from this table, guys. Okay? Alright, I'm gonna mute the chat because I don't think you guys are focusing. So now. Alright, so what about this one, guys? A food industry researcher complied the revenues of several pizzerias, and how much more did Pizza Italia make than the big cheese? Okay, so guys, first step, we need to understand how much more. Okay, Pizza Italia. Okay, so Pizza Italia, then the big cheese. Okay, these are the two things that we need to focus on. Okay, and now, guys, pizza sales. Apparently, for vegetarian pizzas, Pizza Italia sold $18, and pepperoni pizzas, Pizza Italia sold $17. So altogether, they have made how much money? So let's add them up together, and we get 35. And what about the big cheese? $16 for vegetarian and pepperoni for $7. And that is, so 16 plus 7 equals to $23. So how much more did Pizza Italia make? Let's just compare. 35 take away 23 equals to $12 more. So guys, do you see what I'm doing? I am looking for my clues from this table. I'm getting information what I want. I don't care about any other information. So it's your job to pick the correct information from the tables, guys. Does that make sense, everybody? Okay, very good, Sophie. Yes, very good. Alright, guys. So, yes. So now, this is your turn to read the question. I'm not going to read the question for you. You need to read it yourself. And you need to find what information you need from the table. So, everybody can start now. And I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Okay, guys, so the time is up, and the correct answer is yes. Good job, guys. It's A. So now, why is it A? Let's have Candy. Hello, Candy.
Hi.
Hi. So, Candy, can you please read the question for the class?
After a trip to the zoo, the students in Miss Larson's science class voted for their favorite animal. How many more students voted for penguin than giraffe?
So, okay, so now what do we need to do?
First we need to add the penguin. So basically 17 minus 17 plus 12.
So yes, okay, so we need to look at penguins, and for boys there were 12 votes, and for girls there were 17 votes. So penguins, if we add them together, so 12 plus 17, what do we get?
We get 29.
Good. And then what do we need to look at next?
Giraffe, so it's 15 plus 19.
So 19?
15 plus 9, sorry.
Yes, so 15 plus 9, what do we get?
We will get 24.
Okay, now what?
Now, so 29 minus 24 equals 5.
Yes, so what does that mean?
So it means that the answer is 5.
No, I want you to tell me, what does it mean? Yes, the answer is 5, but what does it mean? 5 what?
It means that there are 5 more students vote for penguin than
Yes, that means 5 more students voted for penguins than giraffes. That's exactly right. So you need to make a good conclusion like what you said just now, Candy. So well done. So, yes, everybody, so this is how you do this question, and make sure to understand to know why. What does it mean? Okay? So, very good, guys. So, now, let's have a look at this table as a revision. So, now this table shows the number of peaches picked by each child, and what number should be filled in the star. So, guys, Amy picked up 1 peaches, Bella picked up 3, Cindy picked up 7, David picked up 9. So, if you read, it's the total. So, guys, what do we get if we add all of these numbers? 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9. 20. Very good, guys. Because 1 plus 9 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, so 20. Now, what about the second question? It's the strawberries picked up by each child. So, what do you think the answer is for this one? So, this time we have the total. So, Amy and Cindy add together, we get 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So, 13 plus what equals to 19, guys? Is it 7, Sherlock? It's 6, exactly. So, make sure to not to make any silly mistakes, guys. So, now, let's have a look at this question. The following table shows the survey results about students' favorite sports. Answer the questions according to the table. So, first question number A, what number do you think we should fill in the smiley face? Okay, so what is the smiley face? Total for running, okay, 4 plus 10 equals to 14. Yes, very good. What about for the heart? So total for boys, 4 plus 5 plus 7. 11, 12, really, guys? Really? 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So now, what do you think the total is for the star? So what do you think this star is going to be? So obviously there's 2 ways of doing this. You could either add girls, so 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So 16 plus 21 equals to 37. And now let's check if we get 37 for the bottom part. So this is 11 and this is 12. So 37. So yes, we get the same answer. So make sure to fill out all the tables to check your answer, guys. Okay? Does that make sense, everybody? All right, so very good. So make sure to know to find a total, if you see total over here, it means you need to find a total for this. If you see the total for here, you need to find a total for these ones. Okay, and if you see the total over here, that means you need to add everything here and everything here and have the same number, guys. Okay? All right. So, guys, this is your turn to do this question. Yes, have a go. Okay, guys. So obviously, I can see lots of answers, and the answer for this question, guys, it's actually D. So well done, guys. It is D, and let's have Tara. So hello, Tara.
Hello. Okay.
So hello, Tara. Can you please read the question first?
The table below shows the number of students participating in different groups. Do I read the brackets?
Yep.
Only one program for each student. Answer the question according to the table. What number should be filled in the star?
Okay. So yeah, how do you do this question?
Really, I just started by doing 18 plus 15 because you don't really need to do 18 plus 13 just yet.
Okay. So what do you get?
18 plus 15, which equals to 33.
Okay.
And then 13 plus 20, which equals to 33 again.
Yes.
So 33 plus 33 is 66. But to check that, I did 18 plus 13, which equals to, I think, 31. Yes, 31. And then 15 plus 20 equals to 35. And 31 plus 35 equals to 66.
Very good. Perfect. So it's good that you also double checked your work, Tara. Thank you very much. I'll give you a trophy. So, well done, guys. So that's it, guys. Just fill out all the table and you can check your answer. And that's it, guys. So pretty easy, right? Everybody can do the question, right? Good. Very good. Okay. Very good, guys. So now let's have a look at more complicated tables. So have a look at this one, guys. So we need to answer the following questions according to the table. Bella picked 3 more apples than Cindy. Okay. And how many mangoes and apples did Cindy pick altogether? So, okay. Let's have a look, guys. Let's have a look. Bella picked 3 more apples than Cindy. Okay, let's have a look at apples. So apples over here, Bella's over here. So if Bella picked 3 more, how many apples did Cindy pick up, guys? 9. Yes, that's right. Okay, so now what is the question? How many mangoes and apples altogether did Cindy pick? So, okay, so mangoes is 7 and apples is 9. So if we add them up, it's 16. Oh, so that's it. So it's not that complicated at all, guys, don't you think? But let's complete this table because I don't like to see too many blanks, guys. So, guys, what do you think the number of apples should Amy pick up to make 14 in total, guys? 10, yes, very good. Then what's the total for Bella? 17, good. What's the total for David? 13, so very good. So now 4 plus 5 is 9, and 7 plus 9 is 16. So adding up, we get 25. So now 10 plus 12 is 22. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 22 plus 13 equals 35. So adding up together, we should get 60. Let's check our answer. 17 plus 13 is 30, and 14 plus 16 is 30. So yes, we have completed all the table like this. So now I have everything. So as you can see, guys, this question, all we had to do was read the question carefully and see what information we know and calculate accordingly. All right, so now this is your turn, and guys, I want you guys also to fill out the entire table by copying this table to your picture as well as in your paper. So I'll give you guys a little bit more time. So please find the answer and also fill out the table as well, guys. I'll give you guys a lot of time for this. Okay, so I want everybody. I'm gonna check somebody in random. So I want everybody to make sure you have all the tables. I'll give you guys 4 minutes. Okay, guys. So now, the time is up. I am expecting you guys to have all the tables ready. So first of all, guys, the correct answer is B. So well done, guys. The answer is B. And let's have Jeffrey. Hello, Jeffrey.
Hi. So here's the chart.
Okay, so let me look at that a little bit later, Jeffrey. So now, but first, can you read the question for me?
So answer the questions accordingly to the table. It is known that the number of girls in the second grade is 4 more than the number of girls in the first grade. How many boys are there in the second grade?
Okay, so number of girls in the second grade. So girls in the second grade over here is 4 more than the first grade. So what is the number over here?
21.
Good, that's correct. And the question is, how many boys are there in the second grade? So where's the boys? Oh, here. So how do we figure this out?
So 40 minus 21 equals 19. So it's 19.
Good, that's correct. And now, Jeffrey, so now according to your table, look at your table. What is the total for the first grade?
32.
Sorry?
32.
32, that's correct. So let's find the total over here. So 32 plus 40 equals to how much?
72.
Good. And now 72 plus 35 equals to how much?
107.
107. Okay, so let's check our answer. So what's the missing number over here?
16.
How much? 16? Yes, that's correct. And
16.
now, let's add the numbers. 21 plus 19 equals to how much?
57. Oh no, sorry. 40.
40 plus 17 is, yes, 57. And now, what is 19 plus 36?
36.
How much?
Oh, yeah. 55.
19 plus 16.
You said 36 that time. You said
36?
36. Yeah, you said 36.
No. 19 plus 16.
Oh, shit. 35.
Good. So 35 plus 15.
50.
Good. So 50 plus 57 is 107 as well. So yes, Jeffrey, show me a table quickly. Perfect. Perfect table. Well done, Jeffrey. Thank you. You deserve a trophy. And well done. Thank you, Jeffrey. So, guys, I'm going to check your tables during the break as well. So make sure it's ready, guys. And now, let's have a look at this advanced questions. So now I want you guys to read this question carefully and also draw this table on your piece of paper and tell me the answer, and also fill out all the numbers as well, guys, okay? So guys, everybody, you guys can start now. Okay, guys, so now raise your hand if you have finished doing this question, guys. So let's have a look. So let's have Okay, let's have Isabella. Hello, Isabella.
Hi.
So can you please read the question for the class?
The table shows the book sales of a bookstore for months of June and July. Answer the questions based on the table. 13 fewer technology books were sold in July than June. How many books were sold in June?
Okay, so now what's the first step that we need to do?
Add 13 to 87.
Okay, so
And you get
now
100.
there were 13 less technology books in July than June, so that means we have more in June. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
So if we add 13 to 87, what do we get?
We get 100.
Okay, so now, so how many books were sold in June? Well, we still need to figure out some more empty spaces. So now, what about tool books? How many books can we calculate we got for June?
65.
How did you get 65?
123 minus 58.
Equals to 65. Good. So what happens if we add all these numbers together for June?
We get 220.
Very good. So the answer for this question is 220. But let's fill out the table. So what do you want to calculate? Let's add 187 to find the total for technology books. So what do we get?
We get 187.
Good. And now, so if currently we don't know these two, okay, but we can figure this out a little bit later. Do you think we can figure out a little bit later or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So, all right. Then, how do we find this total, or how do we find this total, and how do we find July, and how do we find this total? So you can pick whatever you want to do first. So, Isabella, the truth is, we need more information to fill out this total. First of all, we don't know how many books we have for July, so that means we can't find the total. And if we can't find this total, we cannot add all three of them, and we cannot find this total, right? And we need to know this July to find this total, but we cannot. So again, we cannot find all the missing numbers in this table. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, but good job. 220 is the answer, and well done. So guys, do you guys understand? Not always you can fill out all the table. So if you want to fill out the table, we need to have at least some more information. Sherlock, we can? Okay, so Sherlock, so let's have a look. Sherlock.
Because it says like 13 fewer technology books were sold in July than June, so maybe 87 minus 13, we can find July's storybook amount.
No. You cannot guess like that. The question said 13 fewer technology books, and that's for July and June. So these two, this is for these two numbers only. You cannot use 13 again for storybook. It never said storybook, Sherlock. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so good try though. So guys, let's have a short break, and guys, I'm gonna check some people's tables randomly. All right, so now Let's have a look at your table, Olivia. Hello, Olivia. Can you show me a table?
So I don't know what happened to the first table. This is the first table.
Okay, let's have a look. Okay, yes, boys and girls. Yep, that's good. Yep, that's all right. What about the second table?
The second table is over here.
Okay, 100.
And then actually it spread out between 2 pages.
Okay, that's fine.
Actually it spreads out between 2 pages. So you have to look at 2 pages.
Okay,
I
good.
think there's enough line.
Yep, that's okay. I can see. Okay, good, Olivia. Thank you very much. And now I'm gonna check Ricky. Ricky, can you show me a table? Hello, Ricky. Can you show me a table? Hello, Ricky. Can you please show me a table?
I don't want to.
Ricky, please draw tables when I tell you to, okay? All right, Ricky. And then now, Jackson. Yes, let's have a look at your table, Jackson. Okay, good. Yes, that's right. Perfect. Well done, Jackson. So thank you very much. And Jason, let's have a look at your table, Jason. Okay, so all right. Wow, well done. Good job, Jason. Thank you very much. And now let's have a look at Devin. Show me a table, Devin. Hello, Devin. Hello, Devin. Come on. Guys, if I tell you to draw a table, please listen to my instructions and please draw the tables, guys. Okay, guys? So I'm going to check it randomly like this. So don't expect that I'm not going to check your work. All right, guys? Does that make sense? Please draw tables accordingly, guys. All right, so now I'm going to check again. So now, guys, let's move on. And we just learned the statistical tables. And now we are going to learn about some line graphs, guys. So now this line graph use some fluctuation of line segments to show you what data we have. And you can so not only it tells us how much we have, but we can see whether the graph is increasing or decreasing, which means we can see the trend and the range, guys. So let me show you all of this in a minute. So guys, this is the attendance of swimming pool for 5 months. So now in August, we have 2,500 people. September, 3,500. October, we have 2,000. November, 2,500. And December, 4,000. So now, there was an increase in attendance from August to September. So let's have a look. So guys, as you can see, these numbers, we have placed it in a line graph like this. So it's halfway between 2,000 and 3,000. So yes, this is going to be 2,500. And we can see, yes, we can see there's an increase. Guys, we can see it's going up. The line is going up, guys. But how much did it go up by? Then we look at the numbers. 3,500 minus 2,500, which is 1,000. So it went up by 1,000. And guys, we can see, without even looking at the numbers, guys, we can see the graph, it's going down. So how much did it go down? And guys, you could actually do this way as well. Guys, the number for each of these rectangles is 500. So that's why this is 3,500. And you can see this is 2,500. So we can see 1, 2, 3 rectangles, all right, or 3 jumps. So that means it's going to be 1,500, 3 times 500. But let's check our answer. So September was 3,500, take away 2,000, and yes, we get the same answer. So guys, there are many ways of calculating these using the line graph, but let me tell you a little bit more about line graph and when we can use it. So guys, right now, everybody can see we have coronavirus, right? And you guys are more familiar than you should realize, because using the coronavirus, for example, case numbers, we can see, oh, it's going up and it's peaked and it went down. So guys, what can we see from this graph? We can see that, the virus was really serious at the very first, and there are a lot of people with coronavirus. But over time, because people took some vaccines, we can see the graph is going down. So line graph is very important, and it tells us the trend of what's happening. So it's very useful for understanding how to use the line graph. And also, guys, if I were to show you the temperature, for example, it was like this, and then what can we say? So it was very cold around this time, and now maybe this is getting a little bit warmer, and now it's really hot. So line graphs tells us a lot of things if you use it well. So now let me show you the next question. And now, during monthly visits, I'm going to read this question together with you so you guys can understand what to do first. Now, during monthly visits to the veterinarian, the puppy's weight was recorded. So we have recorded how heavy the puppy is, guys. Okay, and you can see this is September. The puppy was 8 kilograms. October, the puppy was 7 kilograms. So you can look at the graph like this. And now the question is, did the puppy's weight increase or decrease between September and November? So this is the first question that I want you guys to answer using the selector tool, obviously. So I'm going to give you guys a selector tool. So it's not asking how much did it go up, how much did it go down. It's just asking, did it go up or did it go down? So that's a very simple question. All right, guys. So yes, everybody, it is going down. So it's B. So guys, we can see that September and November. So September is over here, and November is over here. Guys, what is happening to this line, guys? It's going down. It's going down, down, down. So if it's going down, it's going to be decreasing. Does that make sense, everybody? Okay, very good, guys. All right, so now, what's the next question? There was an increase of, so let me just put this here, guys. So there was an increase in puppy's weight from April to June. April to June. Okay, and you need to tell me how much did it go up by? So this is your turn to do the question again. Okay, so now, guys, we can see that the answer is C. Well done, and let's have Donya. Hello, Donya.
Hello.
So, Donya, let's have a look at weight for April. How heavy was the puppy at April? So how heavy was the puppy during April, Danya? You can see this little dot at April. All you need to do is look at the numbers on the left. Where is it pointing at?
1.
1. So it was 1 kilogram for April, and for June, where is the dot pointing at?
5.
Yes. So how much did it go up by?
4.
That's right. That's it. Very simple, isn't it? So all you need to do is look at the table carefully and look where the points are looking at, okay?
Okay.
Good. So is everything okay, Danya?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, so well done, guys. So it's quite easy. Now, next, we will look at the pie chart, guys. Now, the pie chart is also very useful because we can see the comparison straight away quite easily, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Guys, have a look at this one, guys. This table shows the number of times of a thief appeared in different zones in a city in a week. And there was one thief in zone A, and 4 thieves in zone B, and 3 thieves in zone C. And if the purple parts indicates which one, so now we can see purple, we have 1, 2, 3, so if there's 3 thieves, we can see it's going to be C. The red part, 1, 2, 3, 4, we can see it's B, and the blue part is A. And guys, now rather than looking at these numbers, don't you think that looking at this pie chart immediately tells us, oh, there's only one thief at B for blue, and we can clearly see that, oh, wow, half of the thieves were in zone B. So now, but we can see that each small sector means these pizza slices, guys. We can see, yes, if there's 4 slices and there were 4 thieves, then that means each of these pizza slices are telling us there were 1 thieves each. So now, and that's why we can see zone B has the most thieves. All right, so now I want you guys to have a look at this question together with me because the following pie chart contains information about number of peaches distributed to 4 children. And the red one represents Amy's peaches, so it's always a good idea to label what you're looking at, Amy. And the green part represents Bella. Okay, so green is Bella. And the yellow part represents Cindy. And the white part represented by David. Okay, so if Amy has 4 peaches, guys, Amy has 4. So that means each of these pizza slices means there are 4 peaches. So how many peaches do you think Cindy will have? Okay, so I think this question is quite easy. So let's have a look. So yes, everybody, the answer is C. Because guys, if there's 1 pizza slices for Amy, and if there's 4 peaches, and if Cindy has 2, that means it's going to be 8. So how many peaches do you think we have for all 4 people, guys? So this is your turn to solve the real question, guys. Okay, yes, everybody. The answer is D. And now let's have Catherine. So, hello, Catherine. So, hello, Catherine. So, how did you do this question?
So I did. So there's 4 on an Amy, and then 4 plus 8 because Cindy has 8, and then Bella has 16.
Good. We have 4 pizza slices. That's right. And
David has 20.
good, because we have 5 pizza slices. Good.
And then I added them up. 16 plus 4 equals 20.
Yes, this is 20.
And then 20 plus 20 equals 40. And
Good.
then 40 plus 8 equals 40.
That's right. So excellent job, Catherine. So now using this pie chart, we can clearly see David has most because we can see a lot of white pizza slices, don't we? So well done, Catherine. Thank you very much. And now, guys, here comes the radar chart. Now, radar chart is very good to compare 2 or more items in groups of various features or characteristics. And have a look at this one, guys. This table shows the scores of various skills of contestant. And now we need to make a radar chart is very useful, but you need to make a shape for this person, guys. Okay. Now, as you can see, inside this is 0, and if we touch this first hexagon, it's going to mean 1. And if you touch the second hexagon, it means it's going to be 2 and 4, 3, 5, and 6. And now, so let's have a look at observational skills. So observational, it's 4. So you look at number 4, so we need to put a dot here first. And now, spatial skills is 5. So spatial is over here. And reasoning skills is 4. So where's reasoning? Reasoning, so this is 5 outside and this is 4 here. Creativity skills is 3. So now this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, here. And computing skills is 3 as well. So we put a dot here. And memorizing skills is not skills is 4, so we put it here. So now all you need to do is connect these lines together like this to draw your own hexagon. So this is the shape that you will have if you have these kinds of scores. And now let's see what happens if we have somebody else and have 1 observation skills and 2 spatial skills, but have 5 reasoning skills, but 2 creativity skills and 5 computing skills, and memorizing we have 1. Okay, so that means observation is 1 here and spatial is 2, but we have reasoning, which is 5, so over here, and creativity is 3. Oh, sorry, 2, and computing is 5, and memorizing is 4. Oh, it's 1. Okay, so now, so if we connect these lines, we can see, oh, the yellow person has a very different looking shape. So we can compare now without looking at the numbers, guys. We can see, oh, if we have red person and yellow person, we can see that the yellow person is really good at computing and reasoning, but most of the other things, the red person is much better. We can clearly see what's happening. So, guys, do you see and now know how to draw the radar chart, guys? We can compare different people's abilities like this in one shot. Okay, so very good, guys. And now, guys, I want you guys to have a look at this question, and you need to decide who has the strongest reasoning skills out of all these people. Okay, guys, so the time is now up. And the correct answer, so I can see we have many also people answering C, but it's actually D, guys. So let's have Ella. Hello, Ella.
Hi.
So why do you think it's D?
Because there was the lines pointing all the way up to 5 for reasoning skills.
Yes, we can see that this person D has the strongest reasoning skills. And if you look at everybody else, guys, we can see they're not too strong with reasoning skills compared to person D. Now, let me give you a special question, Ella. Now, I want to find a person, okay, who can help me. All right, Ella? Now, the person I'm looking is who can look and remember. Okay, look and remember. Who can look very carefully and remember things for a long time. So, if this is the thing that I'm looking for, which person is the best person to look at or to pick who can help me?
C.
Why do you think it's C?
Because it says, like, the line is all the way pointing to number 5 for memorization skills.
Yeah, so it's 5 points for this person for memorizing. But I also want a person to look carefully. So what skill am I looking for if I'm looking carefully?
Observation skills.
So how many points is it for this person?
4.
So together we have 9 points for C. Okay? But
Yeah.
I think there's one more person who I can pick as well. Who do you think that person is?
A.
Why?
Because